So we're here at Vancouver at the Winter Olympics. This is the snowboarding parallel giant slalom. And as a spectator, this is pretty terrible because look at it, it's completely fogged over. So you can't see anything. Can't even see the big screen. Fantastic, but we're all out here. There you go. Can you see that? Probably not. Out of the time being Tristan.
Woohoo! Vancouver 2010.
You enjoying it?
Yeah.
Really?
Love it.
Love it.
The Olympic experience.
Well, it stopped raining. It's been raining.
It's raining. We haven't stopped shivering though.
Because it's cold. How you going?
That's cool.
Sorry if this camera is shaking because it's pretty cold. Cold, wet. As you can see, people are wearing their ponchos, and this is the Olympics. Day 16. Day 16? Day 16? So this is it. We're here at the Olympics. Awesome.